X-Ray. X-Ray compares. X-Ray compares the 65 cars. Buying a new car this year, better get a copy of X-Ray. X-Ray compares the 65 cars. Ford, Chevy, Rambler, Plymouth, Dodge, Pontiac, Buick, Oldsmobile, Mercury. Point by point, feature by feature. X-Ray compares power and performance, engine displacement and horsepower, even car weight per horsepower, 6s and V8s. X-Ray compares transmission choices, automatic and manual. X-Ray compares engineering and safety features. X-Ray compares dimensions, inside and out. Even compares the actual prices on all these cars. X-Ray, 48 pages of facts you should know before buying any car. It's free from American Motors. Pick up your free copy of X-Ray now at your nearby Rambler dealer.